So here is part of the rock collecting area. I guess it's about 4 acres or something like that. Basically, they bring it up from the mine, they dump it here. This is what it looks like. So I think the mine is over here. So look at this, look at this. We're gonna walk over here, and bam, look at that. That goes deep. That's like where the 200-foot drop down there. So we're like up on this big mountain up here. It's just breezy here. It's not like over in North Carolina it was like 100 degrees. Here it's nice and breezy, so it's comfortable to do this stuff in. You're getting me out west, Jordan.
Alex washing his eyes.